Hello guys, welcome to another video on the Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about RollerCoin, a fun way to earn crypto in your spare time. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. I just found out about RollerCoin about a week ago and I've been hooked on it ever since. I'm even embarrassed to say that I've spent more time than I'd like to admit on the site than playing the mini games. But it's for a good reason. When you play games on the site, you earn mining power, which you can then use to mine the cryptocurrency of your choice. RollerCoin lets you mine 4 different coins. That is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and RollerCoin, the native token for the sites. How does RollerCoin work? RollerCoin is a game about mining. By playing fun mini games like these, you can boost your computer's mining power. The amount of crypto you get every 5 minutes go up as your mining power goes up. As you can see from my screenshots, the games get harder, which means that you get more mining power. I wouldn't say that these mini games are fun if I didn't actually like them, which I do. I thought that trying to make decent money on the site would be a lot of work, but so far I've done well by spending a few extra minutes a day playing the mini games and increasing my power. So, is it worth spending my time on RollerCoin? As of right now, over 1 million people play RollerCoin. Last week, when I started, it was just over 1,000. I'm in the top 1% of RollerCoin players right now. And all I've done is log in every day to get my bonus and play a few games. I'm being honest when I say I haven't had to grind or put in a lot of hours to get there. But this is a fun way to kill time though. I've already made a lot of Doge, even though I'm just getting started. This week, RollerCoin is giving out a 2 times bonus for mining Dogecoin. So it's a no-brainer to do it. At the time, it was the least mined coin on the site. So I thought I should put what little power I had toward it. As soon as the Dogecoin bonus is over, I will switch my power back to the site's native token, that is RollerCoin. You can use this token to buy more miners on the site, which will increase your mining power. The miners, which are like your computer in the game, are always working and giving you crypto. You can make a lot more money with this faucet in just a few minutes a day than with most other online faucets that I use. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you will apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.